Vaheguru Ji Ka Khalsa, Vaheguru Ji Ki Fateh. I would like to thank all my friends who have been liking and commenting on my videos. I look forward to your comments, your suggestions, and I would also request you to uh, put forth the topics that you would like me to speak upon. Few of you have asked me to speak about the Bani, and as far as I am concerned, I never get tired of sharing uh, the meanings of the Bani. In Rehras Sahib, there is a slok, Kahe Reman Chitve Udam, Ja Ahir Harjo Parya, Sal Pathar mein Jantu Paye, Taka Rijak Aage Kar Tarya, Mere Madhu Ji Satsangat Mile So Tarya, गुर प्रसाद परम पद पाया सुके कास्ट हरिया रहाओ जनन पिता लोक सुत बनता कोय न किसकी तरया सिर सिर रजक संभाए ठाकुर काहे मन पो करया उडे उड़ आवे सैकोसा तिस पाछे पछड़े छरया तिन कवण खलावे कवण चुकावे मन में सिमरन करया सब निधान दस्त अष्ट सिधान ठाकुर कर तल तरया जन नानक बल बल सदबल चाहिए तेरा अंत न पारावरया. I would like to explain this particular salok. In this, the Master, the Guruji is telling us that why are you worried, oh my heart? Why are you worried about what will happen? God will take care of all your worries. Kahe re man chitve udam. जा आहिर हर जो पर्या तेरे आहार की चिंता में वो हरि खुद लगे हुए हैं. अर्थात इसका मतलब ये नहीं कि हम बैठ के सिर्फ हरि भजन करें, वाहिगुरु वाहिगुरु कहें, राम सिमरते रहें और अपना कार्य ना करें. ऐसा नहीं है. यू नीड टू पुट इन योर श्रम, यू नीड टू वर्क. हमारे गुरुओं ने दे हैव taught us to have Grahastha Jeevan. Grahastha Jeevan is important. We need to make our livelihood also. But yet, when we keep on worrying too much about what will happen, in that condition, he is telling that Kahe Reman Chitve Udam Ja Ahir Har Jo Parya Sail Pathar Mein Jantu Paye Taka Rijak Aage Kar Tarya. He says, inside the stones also, when stones are split open in mines, it is found that the stones also have some kind of an insect in it. And for those insects also, God ensures to keep its food there. For example, if we enter into a cave, we find there are so many cobwebs. Those cobwebs are meant for the spiders who live inside those caves. Whichever area you go, we find that some or other arrangement has been made for all the animals, the insects, the creatures, birds. For everything, something is available to eat. That also we need to keep in mind that all these things, they reach the animal or the birds or the insects only when they put in some efforts. So those efforts are necessary. काहेरे मंचित वेदम जाहिर हर जो पर्या सैल पत्थर में जंतु पाए ताका रिजक आगे कर तरिया मेरे माधो जी सत्संगत मिले सो तरिया. He says that when you come across the right congregation, you reach your salvation. सत्संगत मिले सो तरिया. गुर प्रसाद परम पद पाया. Guru ki kripa se, with the blessings of the Master, you get elevated in your posts. It's not possible to reach a level without his mercy, without his blessings. Gur Prasad Param Pad Paya, Suke Kast Harya. If he so desires, even the dry wood becomes green. Suke kasat. Kast means wood. Suke means dry. Suke kast harya. it becomes green. Janan pita lok sut banta, koi na kiski tarya. Says, now, if you feel that your spouse, your husband or your wife, your father, mother, or your friend, or your sons and daughters will ultimately take care of your well-being, then you are mistaken. He says, Janan pita lok sut banta, koi na kiski tarya. No one is going to look after your well-being of your body, your mind, your soul, your heart. All these things, you have to carve your own life. You have to make your own life. How good you are at building the relations, how good are you of protecting your future, it all depends on you. Don't be a dependent on others, neither on your spouse, nor on your parents, nor on your friends. जनन पिता लोक सुत बनता कोई न किसकी तरया, सिर सिर रजक संभाए ठाकुर काहे मन पो करया. Don't be dependent on these relations and friends. And at the same time, he also is ensuring that for every head, God has planned something. Sir sir rijak sambhai ठाकुर. Rijak yani your earnings, your food. He has made arrangement of. So you needn't worry. Sir rijak sambhai ठाकुर. The Thakur has taken care of each and every head in this universe. Sir rijak sambhai ठाकुर काहे मन पो करया. He is giving the example of the migratory birds who leave their eggs and then travel thousands of miles. Ude ud ave sakosa. Sakosa means thousands of miles. They lay their eggs and then they fly thousands of miles and they migrate to some other places. They come from all the way from Siberia. They reach our country also. Few of them land up at Varanasi. Few of them land up at in Rajasthan. So ude ud ave sakosa. This pache bachre chharya. They have left their little ones behind in the form of the eggs. Maybe they are hatched. What is happening? Who is providing them protection? Ude udave sakosa. This pache bachre chharya. Then kaman khallave. Kaman chugave. Who is feeding you? Who is looking after you? Then kaman khallave, kaman chugave. Man mein simran karya. They are meditating in their minds, in their hearts. And who is looking after them? No one, except for the mighty Lord. Sir sir rajak sambhai ठाकुर का उड़े उड़ावे से कोसा तिस पाछे बछड़े छरिया तिन कमन खलावे कमन चुगावे मन में सिमरन करया सब निधान तस्ट अष्ट सिद्धान. All the strength, all the powers of the world, where are they? They are सब निधान दस्त अष्ट सिद्धान ठाकुर कर तल तरया. ठाकुर के कर में, ठाकुर, they are all in the hands of the ठाकुर. ठाकुर के हाथों की तली में सारी दुनिया, सारी सृष्टि के शक्ति जो है वो उनके हाथों में है. ठाकुर कर तल तरया. जन नानक बल बल सदबल जाइए तेरा अंत न पारावरया. Nanak says that when I look around and I find that you are taking care of everyone, every living being, you have provided them with their food, you have made the arrangements for them, and by looking at all these things, I am just getting mesmerized. Nanak bal bal sadbal jaiye tera ant na paravarya. I am going balbal jana. Balbal jana matlab I am a sacrifice to your doings. It's something amazing. Open your eyes. When we follow this, we just wonder. Our eyes also develop that kind of vision. That look around you, what is happening? And we take all those things for granted. Let us not take all those things for granted. But once we have come to realize this, we need to keep on being grateful to the mighty Lord for giving us whatever time He has given in this bodily form. And this bodily form we need to utilize for the benefit of everyone around us. This is what we are here for. This is what I feel strongly. And I feel that we all should feel worthy of ourselves. We all should love our own selves. We all need to consider that God has put me here not for just spending some time over here, but for doing something good. At least sharing good thoughts with people is also one such good thing that we can do. All the best.